Hello everyone, I am S. Achya. Now I am going to tell a simple explanation of technical analysis. First of all, what is meant by technical analysis? A trading discipline that is used for the evaluation of investment and the identification of trading opportunities. And it is the study of the historical market data, including price and the value. It helps traders and investors to navigate the gap between the intrinsic value and the market price. Intrinsic value means correct value of shares, and some types of value you can say it like. Next, a chart is used for technical analysis, that is called bar chart. It is useful to a trader involved in technical analysis. Next, why we use technical analysis? Identifying the overall trend, identifying the areas of value such as support and resistance levels, managing the risk exposure such as position sizing. Some examples of technical analysis are moving average. Moving average means it is used to identify trends in a market. Next, RSI means relative strength index. It measures the overbought and oversold. Next, buyers and sellers. In candlestick chart, you can see the two colors. One is green color and another one is red color. Here, green color indicates the buyers and red color indicates the sellers. If buyers demanding higher means the market value also higher. If buyers demanding lower means the market value also lower. But in sellers, if sellers demanding higher means the market value lower. If sellers demanding lower means the market value increases. In candlestick chart provides analyzes easily readable information. For example, when the close is higher than the open, the body is green, and when the close is lower than the open, the body is red. If this happens several days in a row, you can assume short-term uptrend is in place. If you look at bar chart, this information is not as easy to identify. Next, trends. Trends means transparent reporting of evaluation with non-randomized designs. It means the overall direction of a market or an asset's price. Next, price data and volume data. Price data means it measures the concerning prices including profit for goods and services. Next, volume data means the size of data that sits on an organization has to be collected and analyzed and proceed. Thank you everyone.